Ripple just tweeted about the Digital Pound Foundation. And before you click away, because most of you have already heard about it, the website has been updated. Accenture has been added to the list of associate members. And why is that important? Because the Digital Pound Foundation is for the United Kingdom Cbdc. And the Bank of England chose Accenture to rebuild the UK payment system. This was back in 2020. Accenture has so many connections with CBDCs around the world. So this website has just been updated. This Digital Pound Foundation, literally, it used to be just like a homepage with nothing on it really at all. And now with this tweet, it shows us more of an insight that this is official. Look at all of these people from huge projects around the world, part of this Digital Pound Foundation. Now smash the like button because this is huge. Now, you might have heard about Electroneum, Quant, Ripple, they're part of this. Avalanche has joined as well, so congratulations Avalanche. I'm wearing red right now, repping the Avalanche crypto. If you own Avalanche, join us. But Accenture right now is the star of the show because truly, this is huge. Nobody's speaking about how Accenture has a lot of connections already with CBDCs around the world. So the Digital Pound Foundation is becoming more official by the day. And Vladimir Putin, yes, the president of Russia, shout out to him, gave cryptocurrency the stamp of approval. He said that crypto is going to be the future basically. So he knows what he's talking about. He's obviously a smart person to be the president of Russia. But anyways, XRP right now has not yet broken its all-time high. Electroneum also has not broken its all-time high. And Quant, we all know, is just doing crazy things. So either way, there are opportunities in all three cryptos. In Quant, we believe it'll continue to go up. Electroneum, obviously, it has not yet broken its all-time high, and dilution is no longer a concern. In the previous days, when it went up a lot and it came down, they had very little amount of their supply out. But now, most of it is already out. So Electroneum, take a look into it. XRP also, we know the potential of it. We know that smart contracts are coming to XRP, and this right here is huge. Accenture being part of the Digital Pound Foundation to push for this United Kingdom CBDC, it seems more likely by the day. So this is huge, everyone. Absolutely huge. Wow. Like, I don't know what to say. XRP, Electroneum, Quant, amazing projects. Hats off to them. What they've been doing so far with the Digital Pound Foundation is huge. And honestly, I feel like this list is just going to keep growing bigger and bigger. I feel like they're going to keep adding more and more people because they want to make it happen. They want to have a vital role to play in the future of the financial system. They want to be a key player, and they will be. That is why we speak about those cryptocurrencies very often. XRP every single day. So if you're part of the XRP army, join us. Join us, everyone. We're hyped. There is a giveaway going on right now on my Twitter. So if you're watching up until this point, go to my Twitter real quick and come back if you want. But there's a giveaway there. We're going to do another giveaway with an NFT project that I'm involved with. But anyways, this Digital Pound Foundation is huge, everyone. Please do not overlook it because you probably hear about it a lot on social media, but this Accenture being part of it, it just solidifies it that much more. That's like more of a stamp of approval. Like, wow. And yeah, Putin, he's the smart guy. That's all I gotta say about him. But yeah, that's all I have to say. And stay tuned for the next XRP video because I'm going to explain something going on with the price that just does not make sense. And it's going to make sense to you. Right now, we are not done yet, everyone. Please do not think that the bull run is over for a single moment. The next couple of months, everyone, will be historic. Absolutely historic. But you will experience volatility. It will not come easy. You will not be able to make life-changing gains in a straight line. No, it's going to go up and down. But everyone, stay the course. And what we just spoke about today, again, is huge. Just smash the like button for this. Like, wow. The Digital Pound Foundation. And yeah, Accenture joined us. Welcome, Accenture. Make sure you join us as well, because I try to keep it short and sweet, to the point. You got the point of this video in under 5 minutes. Smash the like button. I'll see you all soon. Until next time, Mr. Mufleh, out.